Pizza is not sick to me. I always eat what I want to eat. So. Do you have with fries? Burger, hamburgers, burger chips, hamburger. Yeah, hamburger. Double cheeseburger. Some pasta. Carbonara pasta. The Italian carbonara pasta, not the other carbonara pasta. Italian carbonara pasta. Pizza. To be honest, I can eat pizza in my diet. I can eat pizza for 3 times per day. Pizza. 1 day per week or something like that is a pizza. I just go flat out to everything I can eat when I am on a free day. Chocolate. I love chocolate. Chocolate is one of the most difficult things to control in my diet. I really love chocolate. For me, I like Thai food. Always I cook myself with Thai food. Ensaimada. I don't eat so much sweet sugar, and that one has a lot of sugar. That is my treatment. Barbecue ribs. When we go to Australia, I really like these barbecues that whole team makes. Yeah, barbecue ribs can be quite nice. I enjoy everybody. Something that for my stomach.